We had several projects with MaxGrip, and we started with a very small project in our drinking water plant in Nieuwegein. It was very good collaboration, and after that we go into the next move, and we did it all over our Waternet plants. The added value of MaxGrip on the project, I think for us are two things. The first thing, they have very much knowledge about the maintenance process. They also have a lot of experience about the culture aspect, how to implement and how to take the people with us. Now what we achieved, we had a declining chaff. We didn't do our maintenance very well. We had 70% what we did of our maintenance. It was too low. Now in a collaboration with MaxGrip, we achieved 95% of our preventive maintenance with less mechanics. So both in cost we saved and our results were much higher.